Everyone, today I'm going to talk about what is the Gemini. So Gemini is actually another AI advanced large language model, just like ChatGPT and Claude. So uh, we will deep dive into what are the uses of the Gemini and how can we get benefit from the Gemini in our everyday life. When you go to the page, okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, on Google search, you can write Gemini AI. Once you search, you can click here. Okay, now you can see on the Gemini page, here is the text bar, and here is the recent search history, and there are multiple models you can choose. Every model have different function, just like right now I'm using Gemini 2.0 Flash. It is for the everyday help, and another one is the Flash thinking model, uses advanced reasoning, deep research model. It will go in-depth research reports, and another one is the personalization. So it will use the search history and give you the personalized responses. Other than that, we got the Gemini Advance. It is actually paid version where you have to pay to get one. So normally you can pay 5,600 rupees. It is in the PKR, but you can also get it in USD. I don't know how much amount it is. So back to the uh, main page, you can see here is the taskbar. You can ask anything, just like if you have any question in your mind about anything, you can ask it. For example, I want to ask, can you please write an intro to a YouTube video about the Gemini AI? Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are deep diving to search. Another option too is what if it gives you the plenty of options. Okay, so if you have any question, you can just ask on the Gemini. Other than that, if this question is not in text format, you got the image. You can just click here the aid files, and you will see there are three options. You can upload image, you can upload file, you can upload drive as well. So when you click on the image, it will actually go to your file explorer. You may not be able to see it here because I have I'm just showing you the window. So once it is selected, it will come here, and when it is uploaded, you can just ask anything about this image. For example, I'm asking summarize. Okay, so once it is done, you can see it has summarized into the key points. It is there is a, this is an advertisement for Spring 2025 admission of the Health Service Academy in the Pakistan. So it has summarized into the bullet points. Okay, so for example, if you don't have the image, you have the file, you can just go and take your file from File Explorer. Once it is uploaded, you can ask anything about the file. For example, I'm asking, according to this file, where the heart is located. Yeah. What is that? Complete the analysis. It will tell you the heart is situated slightly tilted towards the left in between the two lungs behind the sternum, but it has given you the answer. It does not only use the PPT, but also it have seen the previous image for it if the answer was in the image, and it has uses the website as well to get you the answer. Okay, so this is the Flash version of the Gemini. But if you go to the new chat and you want to deep search anything, for example, I'm searching for the scholarships that are internationally available for the Pakistani students. I don't want to go to each website to search for it. So I will ask from the Gemini to do the research for me. Okay, so let's see how it is doing this. Can you please tell me what are the scholarships options for Pakistan students internationally. Internationally. Okay, so it will take few seconds and then it will make a plan. Yeah, here's my plan to tackle that topic. So it has made the plan. You can edit it and customize it according to your need. If you want it as it is, then you can just start research. It will take about a few minutes, 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to complete the research. You can see that there is a new tab has been opened and it is showing everything it is doing in the background. For example, it initial scholarship landscape. I'm starting my research by getting a general understanding of the international scholarship, then key areas of the focus. Next step, it is showing the it is researching in 9 websites. uh, as it will go forward, it will show that there are 49 websites right now. Okay, so it will research all these websites just within few minutes and it will give you the report. I have actually searched for uh, this topic previously. Let me show you. Okay, here it is. Okay, so it has completed the research and this research is too long. Okay, if you don't want to read the whole passage, you can just click here and generate an audio overview. What it will do, it will make a broadcast for you, and this broadcast will tell you everything about this passage. Two people will be discussing about it, and they will discuss in a way that will be so easy to understand, and it will be very fun. Just like the topic I have previously searched, I'm showing you just a minute. Okay, you can see here that it has made an audio overview. Okay, it was for the different topic I searched previously because it will take about 5 to 6 minutes to make one. So let's see how it sounds.
All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're tailoring this deep dive for a very specific listener.
Absolutely.
And this is you, a Pakistani medical doctor in Jeddah preparing for the SMLE, and you're looking for affordable postgraduate medical education options. We're going to look at
Okay, so you can actually pause and play. You can go forward 10 second and back 10 second. You can increase the speed to double and whatever you can do. Okay, so you can also download it and share the conversation. These are all options available. Like, you can do anything you want to. Okay, so what is the canvas? For example, if I am walking on a passage or something, if I want to write something, for write an email to my professor to ask about classes schedule. Okay, so you can click on the canvas and here we go. It will write an email for you but in separate windows. Okay, so it has given you plenty of options. Okay, you can edit it here and you can do anything with this. For example, if you want to change the length, you can just make it long, very long, or make it short. Okay, now it has made it very short, and for example, if you want to change the tone, you can make it formal, very formal, or you can make it sound very casual. Okay, it have given me plenty of options. Okay, I will ask it to give me just one option. Okay. Okay, so now it has given me only one option. Yo, professor, it's your name from the cross. I'm having a total brain fart, and you can't. So it is so casual. I want to change the tone to formal. Let's see what it says. Okay. Okay, now it's good. I'm writing to request a copy of the class schedule or syllabus for a course name. I have been unable to locate it and blah 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 blah. Here you can also get the suggestions from the and Gemini to how to improve it further. It suggests me to give the professor more contents, add sentence explaining why you need the schedule. For example, I am writing to request a copy of the class schedule or syllabus. Okay, and so once you have selected, you can apply it, or you can just apply all the suggestions. If you have applied all the suggestions, then let's see what says. Okay, so it has made another email by applying all the suggestions. Okay, so once it is completed, you can move back to previous version and move forward to your next version. You can actually change the text style, make it bold or italic. You can actually make it a bulleted list or numbered list. uh, you can also export it to your docs, that's Google Docs. You can copy the text, you can share the canvas, or you can just close it. Okay, so this was the Google Gemini web version. I will also show you the Google Gemini's mobile version in next video. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and that's it. Thank you so much.